Sorry, I missed your call. I was just going through security.
Norway.
What's the point of being in Norway if you're not there?
I was gonna take you to a freaking hotel.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday and katapos ko lang magbihes into these clothes, mag-fix ng bed, mag-wash ng face, mag-toothbrush, mag-sunscreen, uminom ng water, and yeah, yun kakatapos ko lang, no? Parang morning routine ko siya. And hindi ako nag-morning walk ngayon kasi una, tinamad ako gumising ng maaga kasi over parang 2 days na ata akong sleep deprived. Pero nakapag-nap naman ako sa hapon. Pero yan, nung Sunday, medyo late na ako natulog and then nag-morning walk ako. Tapos nung Sunday, medyo late na ako natulog and maaga ako nagising. So parang kulang yung tulog ko. So bumawi ako ngayong araw. And baka mag-walk na lang ako mamayang afternoon. So my plans for today is to journal catch up kasi parang medyo behind na ako 4 days. Kasi nga, hindi ko na alam kung bakit ako behind. So, yun ang palagay parang pinaka-main agenda ko based sa plans ko na plinano nung Sunday is to journal catch up and then walk. So, gawa muna tayo ng coffee ko. Hi guys! So, andito ako sa kitchen namin and gagawa na tayo ng coffee ko for this morning. So, yung coffee na gagamitin ko is from 7-Eleven espresso shot. Yung binibili ko lagi. Kasi nga, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng beans ko. So, bumibili lang muna ako sa labas ng espresso shot. Mga 2 shot lang. Or isa. And then, yung gamit kong milk is Oatly Barista. And it's my first time trying this kahapon. Okay naman siya. Kahapon kasi nasobrahan ko ata yung espresso shot. Kaya ngayon, isang shot na lang nilagay. Hi guys, so i-taste test na natin. This is an iced chai oat latte. And it's my first time trying Oatly Barista with my chai oat recipe. Parang same lang din pag gumagamit ako ng outside na gatas. Hi guys, so katapos ko lang mag-get ready for my afternoon activity. I'm planning to walk and then run 5K. And I still don't know kung saan. Pero I'm planning to run dito lang sa amin. But I think hindi ko na kayo dadalhin kasi I'm just gonna use my Apple Watch for everything. And hindi rin ako magdala ng phone. And this is gonna be my outfit. Bakit? Anong lumalabas?
Yung ano,
at the top of my hill. Got a little picnic bench up there, so I'm going to have dinner at the top of the hill, and then I'm going to come see a nice I've actually been sent some photos of the beach. I'm really excited for that, so stay tuned for that. That's the plan.
Hi guys, so hindi ako masyado nag-film ngayong araw because I don't know, pero katapos ko lang maligo and wala naman ako masyadong ginawa rin ngayong araw kasi hindi ako nag-morning walk kaya nag-afternoon walk ako and kaya ako naligo kasi nga nag-walk ako, kakauwi ko lang around 6:30 and it's already 7:30 and ayun, wala naman din ako masyadong ginawa buong araw, like nag-journal lang din ako and nanood ng movie and nag-walk around 4:30 and nag-walk ako ng 10 km and umuwi and wala rin naman ako masyadong plinan today aside from journaling, update my Notion, close my rings, yun lang. Gonna do some hot chai kasi gusto ko itry yung Oatly sa hot chai kasi natry ko lang na milk before is outside sa hot chai and then regular milk. So yeah.
Si Geraldine, oh.